with the trend of being plant forward in both food and beverages. By having a soy or an almond version, people can find a way to have dairy-free lattes and cappuccinos. So Silk Barista is actually dairy-free, that is designed to hold that beautiful foam that makes lattes and cappuccinos so delicious and still have a neutral flavor profile. Classic lattes are just really simple. It's a double shot of espresso. You pour that into your latte cup and then take the Silk Almond Barista and froth it in a way that it will create that beautiful microfoam that's shiny and has the minuscule bubbles. And by pouring it into the espresso, you'll be able to see the foam that floats on the top, and that's what creates the latte with that really creamy, light texture.